Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Cash App. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm on my iPhone in the Cash app. You can do the same steps if you're on an Android as well. The first thing we need to do is make sure you have a bank account linked. So you can do that by tapping on the profile at the very top right. And then you can see here is linked banks. Now, keep in mind, you can pull in money or add money from a debit card, a credit card, a banking checking account, savings account, stuff like that. Or you can also even use Apple Pay, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's tap on link new debit card. All you need to do is enter in the debit card number, the expiration date, CVV, and then the zip code. So enter in all of that to be able to pull money from that bank account into the Cash app. But in my case, I'm going to actually use Apple Pay to bring that money in instead of there. You can always just add a debit card if you wanted to use that. Now, to bring that money in, you're going to tap on the little home icon at the bottom left, or it might be the dollar balance of whatever amount of money you have. And now you can see it says add money. I'm just going to tap add money. And in this case, I want to add $10. You can see add money from a debit card that you might have already added, or you can see add money with Apple Pay. I'm going to tap on that, and you'll be able to see it automatically pulls up my Bank of America card here, my business debit card, or a business credit card, something like that. You can always choose to change the payment method. And now all you need to do is double click that side button. And by doing so, you will have automatically added money into your cash balance. From your cash balance, of course, you can send money to people. You can buy stocks or crypto. You have a bunch of different options once that money is in the Cash app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.